If you want a fast way to capture anything you find online and turn it into a task, the Todoist Chrome extension is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it, pin it to your browser, log in, and then quickly save a web page as a task in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Todoist. You should see the official Todoist extension appear in the results. Make sure it's the correct one, then click Add to Chrome. Chrome may ask you to confirm the installation, so just approve it and wait a moment for the extension to be added. Once it's installed, the next step is to pin it so you can access it easily. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon. This opens your extensions menu. Find Todoist in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. When the pin is enabled, the Todoist icon will stay visible on your browser toolbar, which makes it much faster to use whenever you need it. Now that the extension is pinned, click the Todoist icon on your toolbar. If you're not already signed in, the extension will ask you to log in to your Todoist account, enter your email and password, or continue with the sign-in method you normally use. After logging in, you'll be connected and ready to start saving tasks from the web. Let's go over the most useful feature, which is quick adding a web page as a task. First, navigate to any website you want to save. This could be an article you want to read later, a recipe you want to cook, an online receipt you need to keep track of, or any page you don't want to forget. Once the page is open, click the Todoist icon in your browser toolbar. A small pop-up window will appear. At the bottom of that window, click Add Website as Task. This is the option that lets you turn the current page into a Todoist task instantly. The page title will automatically become the task name, and the page URL will be included in the task, so you can come back to it later with one click. This is especially helpful if you collect a lot of information online and want to keep everything organized in one place. Instead of copying links manually or creating a task from scratch, Todoist handles most of the work for you. That means less friction, faster saving, and a much better workflow if you're trying to stay productive. You can repeat this process anytime you come across something important online. Install the extension once, pin it for easy access, log in, and then use Add Website as task whenever you want to save a page. It's a simple setup, but it can save you a surprising amount of time every week. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.